allowed to kill bugs like roaches, ants, or bugs that stink or bite?
Okay, so I assume it's on everyday life, right? It's not on Shabbos. On Shabbos, it would be forbidden because there is a prohibition of shchita. Shchita means killing and trapping, so we cannot trap them. But if they poisonous, right? Some like some mosquito that are poisonous. I mean, you don't have to be expert to know this mosquito poisonous or not. So they warn you that in our town there is a poisonous mosquitoes, so you would be allowed to kill them. But otherwise, if it's like roaches, if they bother you this and that, so you like if needed you can kill them. But the best way is to deal with all of the bugs. Just spray whatever we like spray anti-bug spray and just let them live. That's it. That's the best. Just because you're going to leave kill one roach or two roaches, like it's not going to help. But Zohar is saying that in each roach there is it's possible. It's always possible that in one of two or all of the insects could be a soul of a person, right, who was reincarnated, of course, as a punishment into one of these animals, right, insects. So by you killing it, so maybe it did not complete the purpose. So he was trying to be very careful and not to kill ants or other things. You understand? But if it's bothering you, if it's infectious and you have little children, elderly people, and this and that, so you're allowed to kill, but try not to. That's the thing. On Shabbos, it's more stricter, of course. But you have all these repellers, so it should work without killing. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's do a second question, please.
To add to that, would like I use like those little like glue traps or whatever, sticky pads or whatever.
Sticky pad. Yeah, there's a problem with sticky pads that you're actually like killing them. I mean, just do the spray or some like I don't know, the paste, whatever people do, and we just order to somebody. It's not like I'm not getting commission from Amazon, but we got order for somebody in my family. They said it's the best stuff to get rid of the roaches. And that person lives in an apartment building, so it's like there's a lot of roaches there, to say the least. You understand? So, right. So you don't have to kill them. Let them go away. Let them die by themselves, but without you like actually doing anything. You understand? Okay.